Alright, well, got the new map. Let's see if she fires this time. Well, I know you guys are tired of seeing my face, so am I. Back to work again on Alexis. Auto-tune didn't work out. So today, doing some fresh plugs. Uncle Darnell made a new base map for this thing, so we'll try that out. See if we can possibly get to drive it up the street today. Maybe. Maybe it'll fire back up today. We'll see. All right, so plugs are done. All done. All back together. Now we wait. Either try to put the other base map on it or wait for Uncle Darnell to show up. We'll see, whichever happens first. Well, we think we found the problem. She's out of fuel, but we can't tell because when you unplug the mass airflow sensor, that's what the gauge runs off of. So it said it had a quarter tank the whole time. We're gonna finish filling it up and see what's up. Well, we found out fuel's not the issue. We put 15 bucks in it, gave it a fuel tank, a full tank. Now we just pulled the pump back out. Trying to see what the fuck's going on over here. It's not sending the fuel up.
Something was like that, huh? Or was the O-ring? The O-ring was up there?
No, I think the O-ring was under it. Or no, it might have been like that, yeah. Because the O-ring, like I said, when it came out, got stuck in the housing.
It only makes sense for the O-ring.
Let's pop it on here.
How does it feel to know you came over to do some tuning? You got to work on something.
That is what it is, man. Gotta get your hands dirty at some point.
Gotta figure out what's going on here. I'm hoping the sending unit didn't take poop.
There's your problem right there.
What?
You see that O-ring collapsed?
Oh, yeah.
We got, ooh.
Maybe that's why it comes
Y'all
with
probably
two.
can't see it because it's black, but the O-ring
right.
is collapsed right there. That's the reason it's not getting fuel, and she won't start.
Pressure.
Yeah, blew it out. It goes
So
right
now,
there on.
gotta figure out.
So we just
We got
plug
another
pressure
one.
back into the pump.
Yeah,
And
should
replace
plug
that
it right back
and
into
go
the
from
fucking
there.
housing. Fucked it this way.
Alright, well, as you guys can see, it's running again. Jeff, over here, he's going to try and hide. He completely forgot the regulator. Now we're trying this auto-tune feature.
Looks like it gets in no load situation. Hold it at a steady. Drop it down a little bit.
Tell you one thing, she gets pretty loud inside this garage. We'll see. We're going to keep playing with this. Let y'all know how it goes.
I think it's getting better. I think so. It's not near zero, no. Oh, now it is. Hold on. That shit just jumped man far and went to zero. Changed it. Shut off. Wait till those lifters catch some full oil. Hey. Those hydraulic lifters. That's on zero. That's on zero right there. Yep.
I'm gonna put it back to.
Want this to be repeated on camera now. I mean, in the video, so they can go back and watch what he said. He said, if that SR20 don't make what? 680 to 700, what's happening?
He didn't say that. Huh?
What did he say? If that SR20 don't make at least 6, what?
If it don't make 7, then I'm pulling it out and I'm junking it. It ain't even for sale.
All right, so what you doing with it?
Yeah.
What's going in the car after that?
LS.
All right,
That's
so
easy. That's an easy.
hold on, because I gotta get Jeffrey saying this on camera too. If this don't make how much?
400 plus.
Then what we doing with this?
Lighting on fire.
Whoa, that's crazy. There's people that might buy it. Hold on.
Pull the swap out, dump the car, start over.
Oh shit. And if Lamar's Ford don't make, never mind. We just gonna stop the video there. Say no. Look, I knew he was gonna. Look, he about to come with some crazy shit. Go ahead. Say some smart shit.
Power, she just hurting, right?
Yeah, that bitch hurt. It was hurt.
But
it was hurt as soon as they put a Ford motor in that
the
factory.
factor is all said and done. My car does not meet. When it's all said and done, I mean 1,200. Trading for a Dodge.
So you
Neon.
can't say that because you can't make up your mind. You can't make up your mind on what you want
I
to
said
do.
all
One
said
day
and done.
you'll say all motor, and the next week you'll say you're gonna boost it. So
All said and done.
So what's all said and done?
I don't know.
Is it gonna be boosted?
We'll talk about it in 6 years. No.
What'd you say? You heard what?
Turbo LS is
Fuck out of here.
Yeah,
I'm about to
that-
slam my dick in his door with a spike.
Well, shit. Might as well start now because you're gonna put a turbo
Demonetized.
LS. Bring it here. Watch what happen. I'm gonna have Darnell bring that LS over he got. We're gonna drop it right on in that bitch.
I'm gonna light the whole car on fire.
I'm going to take care of Lamar. Take your car for a spin. Tell us how it feels.
Yup.
Oh, look. Here's the brat. Hey, brat. That's not nice.
Ain't you guys not better than them?
No. Hang out
Old
with
and
the
married.
boys in the
What the hell
garage.
are
What do you
supposed to
think?
do? That's how you get.
Woo! That bitch sounds good.
You weren't this happy on Christmas.
Hell no.
I seen fire shoot down the wastegate from under the car.
Ain't that big. Little baby turbo.
Yeah. El Taco.
Uh-huh. That part.
$107 on eBay.
Yeah, that part.
Get it yourself.
Oh, this bitch need a bath, though. It's left outside way too long. As soon as it runs, right. We're gonna drive it down the street. Forgot to show you all these freshies right here, boy. Darnell got the Cool Croc 1000s on and shit. You alright over there, Lamar?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna die, are you?
No.
Texas.
Wasn't red before.
I don't know if that was mine or yours.
then she moves away. But once you lock it at 0, that's where it wants to be at. That's where you gotta have that time market. Shit. Well, I read the directions for the most part. I see the time and things, but I don't know what the part right there. I didn't get mad about that.
He don't know how to act.
We're at 204.
He calling everybody out on that racing channel.
You better stop playing. We ain't drinking that kind of power.
He said who won it first?
Where's that 1320?
He says the cleaner call out.
1320 in Jersey, baby.
Nah, ain't nobody racing nobody in Jersey yet. All those up north boys. They'll be like, oh, okay.
He's gonna be like, oh, that's cute. Come run my Honda.
Come run that gutted Honda with no doors, no windows. Let me not talk trash, because people get sensitive.
Hold on. First of all, that's not talking trash. That is a fact. And regardless of the fact, the motherfucker make enough power to haul ass, whether it's gutted or not.
Yep. Well, I ain't calling out no Hondas yet.
I ain't calling out shit.
Not until the Mustang's done.
You still ain't calling out.
I'm gonna call him out once I get another 1G. I said it.
Yeah, the fuel is gradually going up.
That worked. Now it revs. Got it to rev all the way to 6,500.
Just fucking hit edit.
Next nice day, we get this thing out the garage because it's snowing today.
Hit it twice, undo, like that.
We got to take it for a test drive and adjust it from there and see what happens. Thanks to this guy here. And this guy, he's happy, gang. He was pretty pissed. He was pretty pissed, I can tell you that much. But he'll be all right.
Pissed don't describe it.
Yeah.
Flip it again. Let me see what happens.
See what happens.
That's good enough.
There we got it. The final for the night. She now idles. She revs.
All fucking speed in my shit.
She revs. That is where we're gonna leave it for tonight, boys.
Let her rip, tater chip. Yes, sir.
So this thing's up and running, idling better. What'd you do to it, to be exact? Because I tried to explain kind of on the video, which I was doing with time and light, but I'm probably wrong. So I'll let you explain, since you're the master mechanic here right now. What the master tech right now? So
We had to verify the base timing.
gotcha.
You know, if it was off, then we have to make a correction, an offset correction in the software. You know, when we lock it in at 0, so we'll know that you know, everything is in sync.
Right.
You know, with the engine. I mean, that comes with any aftermarket ECU. I mean, you got to verify base timing.
Well, see, that I didn't know. I thought that was just like plug the ECU in, just like factory ECU. Plug that shit in, you good to go. So
Then I
but
what else did I do? I set the dead times on the injectors. I had to call around for that
yeah, definitely had to make some
because
phone calls
he didn't
today.
receive a sheet with his new injectors for the dead times, and dead times between brand for brand it could be a EV14 from ID, or it could be the VMIs he had, the Victory Motorsports.
Right.
I mean, the dead times are going to be different because 1,000cc injector from this brand might not be 1,000 cc's. It could be over or it could be under. Like his are 998 cc's, and 1,000s from ID are a little over. You know, they're like 1,016 or something like that. So the dead times, I mean, they're going to vary between brand.
So now it's idling way better. So you guys play with the fueling table itself and
Yeah, I made a
for the
little
best.
fuel table for it. Pull some fuel out. down low because it was running big rich,
Yeah, it was definitely doing that.
breaking up, way too rich.
Now it's idling.
And then I made a what is that? AFR, a Lamba table for it.
Okay. So,
A Target versus Lamba.
all right. So at this point, what's left to do with it? Because, I mean, just put it on auto tune and test drive it, make sure everything's straight. Like,
You know, take it down the road, put it in auto tune, and build a better map that I built for it. To get it drivable.
so
So it could go up on the rollers.
So in other words, what he's saying is, we're gonna have to take down the road, but he's gonna have to be here because he's gonna have to do everything to retune the bitch. Is what he really meant. Am I right, Jeff?
Yep.
Because
I'm no tuner. I just got it to where it,
no, we don't need
to where
we
you
know
can
you're
actually
not.
rev it now.
We know you're not a tuner. We just
Hey,
need some
see.
help because we couldn't figure this shit out last night.
He heard his turbo for the first time tonight.
Fact. That's definitely and everybody in his pitch was real excited. He wished his Mustang spooled like that too. He didn't go lie.
Watch my Mustang run.
Well, that
Start with
too.
the small stuff.
All right. Well, at that point, we're out of here. Until next time.
Eat pancakes.